Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your TWS is connected but the sound is coming from your phone's speaker. If you are also facing the same problem, so watch this video till and very carefully. I'm going to show you 4 to 5 different methods to fix this problem. So when you are facing the problem, first you need to disconnect your earbuds from the phone. So just turn off the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, after turning off, try to connect it once again like this. As you can see guys, I have connected my earbuds successfully. Now let's try play anything from your phone. Your problem was solved or not, so let's check it out. So as you can see guys, I have played one video in my phone, but the sound is coming from my earbuds only. Now my problem was solved. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to forget your earbuds from the Bluetooth settings. So once again, open the Bluetooth settings, go to details, and from here guys, you need to open the connected earbuds, as you can see guys, and here you can get the option unpair. So just tap on unpair from here. Now the Bluetooth is unpaired from the phone. Okay, afterwards guys, now once again connect it to your earbuds. Okay, so just reconnect it. After this guys, this will also helps you to fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to try the next method. Now you need to check your earbuds is fully charged or not. If the earbud is not charged, you need to insert your earbuds into your case. Now connect the charger and charge your earbuds. Okay, after the charging was completed, once again connect the earbuds. Now your issue was solved. Still in case you are facing the same type of problem, last and final method is this guys, you need to reset the earbuds. To how to reset the earbuds? To reset your earbuds, you need to first find out the any physical button is available or not. If the button is available, so just press and hold that button for 15 to 20 seconds continuously. So in my case guys, I have not any reset button, as you can see guys in my case. So how to reset this earbuds? To reset these earbuds, first you need to disconnect your earbuds from your phone, remove the earbuds from the case like this, and here find out the button in the earbuds. In some earbuds there is a touch sensor, so press and hold that sensor, or if you have the button, so just press and hold that button for 15 to 20 seconds continuously. Don't release the button, so press it, hold it, and if the light was blink, at that time you need to release your buttons. Okay, now your earbuds was completely resetted. After resetting, once again connect you to your phone and the problem will solve. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this irritating issue on your earbuds. Okay, so comment down below which option, which method was work with you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.